have more bubbles?
Yeah.
Because that's the carbon dioxide, yeah? Okay. Will you please bring all your stuff, let's bring all stuff. You need to be in a group of 4. Be there in 1 minute. Sitting at the same table without moving chairs.
There it goes.
When the milk mixes with the baking powder, what kind of reaction are we going to start to see?
Oh, it needs to be cold.
Carbon dioxide being released, okay? What else can let us know that a chemical reaction is?